You are scrolling through your feed when a video stops you in your tracks a tiny fluffy puppy that moves with uncanny grace and barks just like the real thing. It is marketed as a breakthrough in robotic companionship. It promises to bond with your child and even learn their habits over time. The PawBuddy puppy toy looks like a miracle for families dealing with allergies or busy schedules. However, once you peel back the layers of these polished advertisements, a very different story starts to emerge. This toy claims to utilize advanced neural processors and adaptive learning modules. Those are very expensive technologies. In reality, there is no evidence of Wi-Fi connectivity or app integration. There are no sophisticated sensors needed to achieve what they are promising. It is essentially a simple mechanical toy wrapped in plush fabric. It follows a pre-programmed loop of movements. It does not actually interact with its environment in a smart way. The website uses high-level technical jargon to distract you from the lack of actual substance. Terms like German engineering are thrown around without any proof. There are no specific company names attached to the design. If you look at the media section, you will see logos for major television networks and famous newspapers. These are almost certainly fake. There are no actual articles or segments from those outlets that mention this specific product. This tactic is designed to manufacture instant credibility. The customer reviews follow a similar pattern. You will see endless 5-star ratings. These are accompanied by photos that look far too perfect. Many of these images appear to be generated by a computer. They might be taken from professional stock photo galleries. You cannot find these reviews on any third-party or independent platforms. This is a massive red flag. Even more telling is that you can find the exact same toy under different names across the web. Whether it is a robotic bunny or a kitten, it is the same hardware. It is being rebranded and sold at a massive markup. You can find these identical items on wholesale websites for a tiny fraction of the asking price. The marketing relies heavily on artificial scarcity. You might see a timer counting down. You might see a warning that only 3 items are left in stock. If you refresh your browser, the club just starts over. It is a psychological trick to force you into a quick decision. They do not want you to have time to do your research. Parents have reported that the actual toy feels light and cheaply made. It does not live up to the cinematic quality of the promotional videos. These companies target your emotions. They know how much you want to see your child smile. It is vital to look past the cute exterior. You must demand transparency. Buying a toy should not feel like falling for a magic trick. Always look for verified reviews. Avoid sites that use high-pressure sales tactics. Your money and your time are worth more than a rebranded plastic toy with a fancy name. It is better to shop with your head than just your heart. Take a moment to verify the claims before you provide your credit card details to a flashy ad. There are plenty of wonderful interactive toys from reputable companies that do not need to rely on tall tales and fake countdowns to earn your trust.